Hello everyone, you know who I am? Can you guess? Let me give you a clue. I am the national bird of the UAE. Yes, you all know me. I am the falcon. I am the fastest bird in the world. When I dive, I can fly faster than a racing car. I have very sharp eyes. I can spot my food from far, far away, even from high up in the sky. I am a strong hunter. My curved beak and sharp claws help me catch my prey quickly. I am brave and powerful. That's why people say I represent courage, strength, and freedom. I am a part of Emirati culture. For many years, falcons have been trained for falconry, a traditional sport loved in the UAE. I am respected and cared for. The UAE has special hospitals and centers just for falcons to keep us healthy. I appear on UAE coins, stamps, and emblems. This shows how important I am to the nation. So yes, I am the falcon, the proud national bird of the UAE.